Welcome to Marmaris. If you're looking for an active and exciting way to experience nature, rafting tours are a great option. Marmaris itself is on the coast, but nearby rivers offer ideal conditions for rafting, with sections that suit both beginners and more experienced participants. Tours usually start with a short briefing on safety and paddling techniques. Guides explain how to navigate the rapids and the basics of working together. Once on the water, you'll follow a guide down the river, enjoying the scenery as well as the occasional adrenaline rush of small rapids and waves. The route often passes through forests, rocky sections, and calm stretches, giving a varied experience. Most tours include all the necessary equipment: helmets, life jackets, and paddles, so you don't need to bring anything. All you need are comfortable clothes and shoes that can get wet. We take care of the rest. Along the way, there are usually stops where you can rest, take photos, or even swim in calmer sections. Rafting tours are suitable for groups, families, or individuals, and instructors ensure everyone has a safe and enjoyable experience. Overall, Marmaris rafting tours combine adventure and natural beauty, giving you a refreshing break from the usual sightseeing. Join us on the water.